Hi, so this is a bracelet video. So let's see how we can do a bracelet. For this I have taken two yarns. Both of these yarns are of 3 mm, but since it is for a bracelet, it's up to you. You can use a 3 mm hook or 3 plus 3 6 mm hook or a smaller hook because it's for a bracelet. So right now first let's make a loop. So we are going to use both of these yarns, blue and rose, together to make a loop like this. Okay, and here I am going to use a 2.5 mm crochet hook because I want the bracelet to be little bit tight. Now we chain 1, 2, so you can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see it's coming like this. You can chain as per your desired length. Okay, so it's only a chain stitch, so it's very easy, and also it comes good like the thread which we can buy from the store. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, I have made a hanging. You can see it's a cat hanging. So I want to insert this inside this bracelet or the thread. So what we need to do is, we need to put this inside. Okay, like this. So it should go inside. So the easiest way is to insert through this side. So what we do is, we take both of these yarns, tighten it and pull through this so that it goes inside, and then pull it, so you can see it comes here. Okay, same way you need to do. Okay, now again we need to chain. If you want a very loose bracelet, then you can use a bigger crochet hook. If you don't want very loose thread, use a smaller crochet hook. So that's the technique. Okay, so chain, I am planning to chain 50, which is based on my wrist. Okay, so let's see. I need a little bit more, so you can see I need a little bit more length. So that I will have some tail for tying it. Okay, and that's it. Let me cut the yarn. Okay, so once the yarn is trimmed, what you need to do is you need to do one more loop and pull the yarn all over till the other end. And here also what you need to do is, here you see this, take both of the yarn and tie like this so that it will not come off. Now we can trim this tail, and here also these two yarns you need to tie together. So here is the easy thread bracelet. So you can see it's very easy, only chain stitch you need to know. And you can tie it like this. So you can wear it along with matching dresses. You can wear it as a friendship band. Like this. See? I hope you like this. Thanks for watching.